Hello friends, very good afternoon. Myself Bala, I am SEBI certified research analyst. This video I am going to show you the live trading Bank Nifty option strategy. And before entering into the video, kindly make subscribe my YouTube channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. So the last video we are made for a Bank Nifty edging option strategy. So how the strategy is giving you return and what was the benefit about that strategy. I'm going to take in a profitability. Okay, so let's based on the super trend I discuss you to trade on Bank Nifty. This is a 15-minute super trend, so you will find out the super trend indicator everywhere, and each and every platform, the trading platform will give you the super trend. So using this super trend indicator, I am combined with my advanced option trading strategy, how I am making a profit. So whether market is giving me a bullishness as well as bearishness, both the trade which I am going to take in the study case. So that I am going to explain in this video. And anyone who want to open a trading account with me, so you are welcome to open a trading account with me. I am providing so a lot of intraday tips and also the strategical basis of intraday positional trading. And anyone who want to learn my page strategies, so you are welcome to learn my page strategies, so you will be getting more profitable advanced option trading strategies. Okay, so this is the Bank Nifty chart where we are applying the super trend. It is based on 15 minutes time frame. So what should be the trade signals and how I am going to trade based on the signal. Let's try to do that. Let's come to the video now. So as a option buyer, we have the time value is more, then only we are going to buy. So yesterday the last weekly expiry contract happened on 21st expiry, which done by yesterday, and previous on 20th May we got a buy signal on 15-minute chart. So if you are ready to try to take the same signal by on the next contract, but I'll wait for a on the Thursday. If any new signal which is generated, I'm going to trade on the basis of this signal. Okay, so where you already the signal is generated on 15 minutes, that is the 20th May around 2 o'clock. So where I got a buy signal around 17,879 is my buy opportunity price. So where here I am getting a buy opportunity, so 17,800, almost 17,900. So I'll wait for a 1 day. That is what this particular 21st May contract expired, weekly option at 21st. So that day I'll go to try my strategy with the 28th expiry contract. So I'm going to apply my trade strategies because I am a buyer, so I need the time value must be there, then only I can do my buying strategy. If the time value is very less, so instead of buying, the selling should be the best, because the time value less means the premium eroding very fast. If the more time value will benefit you to the options buyers. Option sellers always focusing the time value drop. So when we are the less time value, the premium goes very quick down. So here I'm going to try to trade the contract where I get a buy signal 20th May. So here I get a buy signal by 21st. Already the signal is running. So 21st, the first 15 minutes I was waiting. 18,037 is the first 15 minutes close, right? 18,037. So here what I am going to do as per my strategy, because and to applying this strategy we have the knowledge about historical volatility and implied volatility. That is very important. So once you know the concept about implied and historical volatility, then only you can understood what is the strategy which will give you the benefit. Okay, that you have to understand, that we are teaching on our paid lessons. Anyone who ready to take my paid classes, you are welcome and you can take it out. So here 18,034, that is what my buy price. Okay, so where I'm, this is what the stop loss whatever, so I know I'm finding the trend. So the trend is bullish right now at the particular time of 21st morning. So after that it slightly moved around 18,200 the high. After that it started falling and it changed the sell on the same day, that is yesterday, that means around end of the session around 2 o'clock it's changing around 17,800. Okay, so here it shows you sell at 17,800 as per the super trend. It's saying the direction. Either initially it gives a buy signal and now it gives a sell signal. So buy and sell signal is generated as per the super trend. So now I am going to apply my advanced strategies, how it give me a beneficial. So here what I am going to do, I am going to do my edging trade. So here trend is bullish and here trend is bearish. And remember, if you are taking 18,034, if you are exited at 17,800, your loss should be 234 point is your net loss, the trade 1. And the trade 2, you got a sell signal by 17,800. Now market is trading 17,200. So you are going to get almost somewhere 800 to 600 or 550 points is your profit. That is what your trade 2. So here your trend is happening and your direction, so you are going to make money. Here your trend is failure, you are going to lose money. But as per my hedging strategy, what I am going to do, I am doing here 18,000 call option. I am going to buy with the 3 lots, and 18,000 put option I am going to do with the 2 lots. This is my trade strategy. And to know and apply this strategy, you have to understand a lot of things. So the historical and implied volatility, how it is reacts and how it is beneficial to the strategy, that we are teaching in our paid lessons. So here I took the positions. So both the way I will follow the position. I will keep holding even though it's changing in the sell trend. Okay, and it required the margin. So we'll see the first part and how it is working. 18,000 call option with the put options. Okay, here I bought 18,000. So let's show you that this is my Bank Nifty buy option. Here you see that I will show you the analyze this strategy. I'm going to take the 18,000 put option 2 lot with the price of 380. At the same time, I will take the call option of 18,000 call option with this price of 505, which I took a 3 lot quantity. So what I am gained in this particular trade. So I know the movement of the Bank Nifty for this week is around 1400 point, that I already explained on my 1400 point already explained on my last video. So what happened here, my put options comes down and my call option comes down, put option get increased it, and the 2 lot of put option which gives me a, so I will show you the live price of that particular Bank Nifty 2. Here the Bank Nifty 18,000 put options where it is trading 1000 rupees. Okay, where I bought at 380. At the same time the call option where it is trading 144, where I bought at around 505. So almost I lost somewhere around how much points. Let's exactly calculate what the point I'm going to lose on this particular transaction. Here 505 minus 144, 360, which multiplied by 3 lot, which I am going to lose around 1000 points, which is around 21,600. There you see 21,100 as per the LTP price. And the same time where I buy the put option with the 2 lots, it is now trading exactly 1000 rupees. So let's do that. 1000 rupees minus 380, that's my premium paid. So multiplied by 2, I am 1200 points profit with the 20 lot quantity, 24,000. So what happened this trade, finally I took the trade by bullish view. So I'm explaining you, I was taking the trade for I'm expecting bullishness in the market. So that's why I bought a 3 call option. To protect myself, I'm buying a 2 put options. Here the put options were protected me from the losses. I invested somewhere around 45,000 rupees in this particular transaction. Now it is generating me the profit of somewhere around 6% of my investment. But here you have to understand some important thing. This trade is totally against you. The trend is reversed. So from where we have taken the position at this particular point, now market is here. So this gap down, this down from your entry point, that will be protected by your put options. And call options, we are losing their money, but even though we recovered more than the amount we lost from the call option, we are recovered and we are ending with the profit. As per the chart, if you are holding the same positions, this is a loss making positions, we are converting the loss making position into the profitable positions, so based on our strategy. Okay, so now you see that what is the current profit or loss. Let's see, wait and increase or decrease. Now that is more than 7%. Here you have to understand where you are taken buy positions, the market is totally down, almost 800 points down from your point, but this same scenario you are going to make whether you are a bullish. Okay, so this is what our trade strategy, where it gives you profit on a right direction, sorry, wrong direction you are going to get. So another trade where I got a sell signal on the bank nifty where it is around 17,782. So here I'm going to take 3 put options with the 2 call options that I have exactly explained on the last video. So what happened on the same trade, how it became profitable. So last strategy, we are in a wrong direction. That is what we are expecting, bullishness in the market, but the bullishness is not happened. But here this time we are expecting the bearishness in the market, that bearishness was happened. So what is our profit here? What we have done, so we bought a 3 put options because of my expectation down. To protect, I bought a 2 call option. So the strategy which I did, so this is my cost price and 17,000 is my break even point. 17,069 is my break even point. But even though the time value benefit, because we have a lot of time value, now market is keeps going down, my position is started making money. So here I invested around 43,000 rupees in this particular position. Here my call options, 17,800 call option where I bought 378, now it is trading 174. So 8,000, 7,500 is my loss on the position. The same time which I bought a put option 17,800, which a 479 is my entry price. Now it is trading around 880. So here I made a 22k profit. So say minus 7k. So finally I was in the profit of 14k with the investment of 43,000 with the profit percentage of 33%. If I do both the trades, with the 45, 90k investment, both the sides, I will do the 90k investment, my profit should be around 20k. Here 14, there are almost 4k, so almost 20k is my profit. So if you calculate it, my overall profitability is more than 18-19%, or near about 20% return, more than 20% on my overall investment. Here I'm not worried about the direction of the market. When in initial trade I was taken a bullish about market, but market totally bearish, even though I was managed to make profit. So that the important thing, when the market trend is against you, so I'm telling you, you are not going to lose. So you are protected with some other put options or call option, so that will protect you from the major losses. But when you do the right thing, so you are going to directly getting the profit. So when it generated the profit, it's a live. Now if I refresh it, and 15,000 is my overall profit. Not only if market is started moving down itself, so we are going to increase our profit on the wrong side also. Let's show you what is our wrong side. This is what wrong side. Initially we checked it out, 3,000 something profit. Now it is it's showing around 9%, that is at 4,000 plus. When the market is started moving, the call premium is the maximum goes to 0, but up to market goes down, the put premium can increase up to the level where it is going down. So this is what our beneficial strategy, which we can here 45,000 and 43,000 total investment which we have made. So here we are making a 20,000 rupees profit, which is around a investment of 88 to 90,000. So that is a big return within a day. So yesterday we did the strategy, and within a one day we are making a profit. So using this strategy, you can make a regular weekly income profitable by Bank Nifty weekly options. So if you have any other questions about this strategy, you can comment, and you can, if you have any other thing you want to know, and if you want to learn my strategies, you can contact me, the number provided in the description. And also anyone who ready to open a trading account, so you are welcome to open a trading account and you can do with me. So we are doing with the Zebu, and Zebu is the one of the best trading platform provider, and you can also doing with my guidance. And that's about my video, and you hope you understand how the strategy which works. And some questions asking about the comment, the IV drops within a 2 days. So IV is not dropped within a 2 days. IV, if it is dropping, means it will be dropped by gradually, or if it is gradually increasing, it will not sudden spike. Okay, so whenever the IV is nothing but a expected thing. So for example, if a 10 days later, if your any result will come on the stock, so based on the result, we don't know what the result will come, either positive or negative, but something expected in near term. So that time the IV will increase. Okay, so on drop of the IV, so there is no news in the market, there is less movement, so it will directly indicated through the IV about the stock. So it will not fluctuating day by day basis, not a big movement is not happen in the IV. So that you have to understand. So make the strategy that will give you higher profit potential. That is the best thing we are doing. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are not subscribed my channel, kindly make subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. Thanks for being with me. Thank you for your support, and thank you very much.